everyone. Today I'm in the Jade Emperor Pagoda Temple. 73 mighty loop. Let's make it out. Today is a Sunday, so quite peaceful here. And in front we have can see the laughing Buddha and lots of locals. And maybe I'm the only foreigner. I don't see any Amor right here. The locals are praying. Well, I see a group of like foreigners in front, and there's a pond here. There are fishes inside, I suppose. Wow, very big. There's a big catfish. Seeing the fish swim always like put my mind to peace, and I'm happy that I'm a human being. Even though there are difficulties in life, but we can overcome them with the correct attitude and method. So entry is free. You can light incense, candles, and make a wish. But if you want to go inside and take off your shoes, and there are monks staying here as well. And look at the green Jade lions here. The Chinese word 玉皇殿, that means the Jade Emperor Pagoda, and the Vietnamese way Phật Hải Phú Sư. Last time there were pond here and tortoise, but now they like already removed the turtles and lots of foreign visitors. The swing here as well. There's a Guanyin Pagoda right here. Look at this, there's a hidden garden here. Oh. What a mask. Inside there's another like deity or Buddha. It's very crowded. Actually, it's like they say not allowed to take photos or videos. I know it's to respect the deity, but I mean no harm. So it's okay lah. I can use a hidden camera if I want, but I don't have to resort to that. There's so many things to film around here, not just the deity and people, but in Saigon and any place I go, it's okay then. So the temple closes at 6 p.m. Very peaceful. Come and have a look. Make some offerings, incense, offer incense and the lights, and then go inside and visit. So if you enjoy the video, like, share, and subscribe so more even find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys again. Take care everyone and bye bye.